I don't know, should I come up with an intro? Look, hey, what's up guys? So today is April 8th and I am leaving for Paris tonight. Now, what's unique about this is I've tried to learn French 3 times over the past couple of years, and I will start, get to a certain point and stop. And I find out that that keeps happening to me. So I'm trying to get over this little wall that I've kind of been stuck at. So I'm not even sure the right way to word this. I am going to spend the next month studying French as intensely as I can to finally break through this wall and become closer to fluent. So that's my goal. But I'm gonna start studying French today. I'm using Pimsleur as my base learning application. So I'm gonna go through each lesson, and each lesson is about 30 minutes. So right now, the time is 7:14. I need to leave here by 9:30 for my my doctor's appointment. My daughter's gonna get up, so hopefully I'll be able to listen to my lesson while I get her ready for school. But I'll make it fun, I'll make it interesting, and yeah, we're gonna definitely knock out at least 4 of these lessons by the time I gotta go to the doctor's, but I gotta get started, so let's get going.
To understand this conversation, but to take part in it yourself. Imagine an American man sitting on a train across from a French woman. He wants to begin a conversation, so he says, "Excuse me."
Excusez-moi.
All right, hey guys, what's up? So I'm now in Paris, France, and again, I'm here for about 24 hours, so I gotta kind of chop my day up. I gotta get a nap in at some point. I also plan on meeting up with a couple people for lunch, maybe dinner. We'll see how that goes. But if I don't meet up with them, I'm probably gonna come up with something on my own. But the whole purpose of doing these videos is to test my French in Paris, or try to improve my French and get over the anxiety of speaking to people when I don't really know the language. So I've been coming up with different tasks or challenges and goals that I want to accomplish, and those are simply just, you know, phrases that I want to use. So forgive me as I kind of go through my notes right here. So a simple one: I like croissants. I want to order some croissants. I want to order some croissants, and I want to do it in French. So one of my little goals or tasks or challenges that you can call it is to go into a bakery and ask for croissants. And I kind of broke them down into like sentences. So the first one I'm definitely going to do this morning is to ask for the croissants. I'm going to go to a bakery, simply say, "Excuse-moi," or excusez-moi, excuse me, 2 croissants, please. 2 croissants, s'il vous plaît. So, simple sentence, right? Very simple when you're practicing it by yourself, but to go into an environment and use this language, that's kind of where the challenge is, right? So, I'm gonna do it. Again, I'm making this for you guys to kind of see the process that I have in terms of practicing it. And if you have anxiety, you know, you're not alone. I have anxiety talking to people too. But that's one thing that I'm gonna do. I also have a list of different sentences that I'm going to use, and hopefully I'll throw those up on screen when I'm accomplishing them. And I'll probably do a big video at some point kind of summarizing everything I've done up until a certain point. But I'm sorry if I sound like I'm all over the place, but as I'm studying the language, I'm coming up with these different challenges for myself to kind of improve. So hopefully you guys like it. I'm going to wear the camera on my chest. I know you guys, if you've been watching TikTok, you've been seeing this thing all over the place, but I got this one for my GoPro. It sits right here. I walk in, hopefully it doesn't bother anyone that I'm wearing a camera on my chest. I know some people will feel a certain way, but I'm hopefully not, because I'm doing this for you guys to learn and for myself as well. But yeah, I'm gonna wear the camera on my chest, walk into the bakery, and ask for 2 croissants. Simple enough, right? Yeah, hopefully. All right, let's get going. Dorian. Deux baguettes. 2 baguettes? 2. Ouais. Bonjour. Deux croissants, s'il vous plaît. And je comprenais un peu français. How do you say quiche?
Quiche, vous avez how many cheese, 7 in the Spanish, vegetable.
Can I do ham and cheese?
No?
Ham and cheese with butter.
Yeah, do that.
Sandwich, ham and cheese with butter, or quiche, ham and cheese?
Yeah, good, have a cheese.
Ham and cheese, yeah, quiche.
Quiche, ham and cheese.
Merci. Yes. How do you say in French?
French?
How do you say? Parler. How do you say quiche? Je comprenais un peu français. How do you say quiche in French?
Quiche.
Just quiche. Merci. I'm trying to learn.
Go or you?
To go.
Go. That's it?
Oui.
Quiche. En French, quiche, ham and cheese, on dit quiche Lorraine.
Lorraine.
Lorraine quiche.
Lorraine quiche. Merci. Oui. Do you like? Yeah. Yes. Learning to speak French, travel Paris, so yeah, videos.
I have combien de subscribers?
You have what?
I have, vous avez combien de abonnés? I don't know.
Oh, it's okay.
Subscribe.
You'll subscribe? Merci.
That's it?
Yeah, the deux croissants, oui. Merci. Thank you. Okay, au revoir. Hey guys, so how was it? Was it bad? Was it good? What do you think? Please let me know. It didn't feel bad. They were very friendly, and I did really appreciate that in the bakery. I know there's a stereotype about French people not being nice, and that's really not the case. Just like most countries, even America, when people try to speak your language, they're a lot more receptive to you, especially when they see that you're putting the effort in, and that's the same here in France. So things like saying hello or goodbye in French carry me a long way, even if the conversation was rough. I noticed that it gets me pretty far in terms of conversing with people, even though I don't know the language. But yeah, I was able to order my food, share with you guys. This is the quiche. I did not know quiche was just quiche in French, so that worked out. And then I got the deux croissants, which I'm excited to eat as well. Excusez-moi. Merci, madame. Bonjour. Est-ce que vous parlez l'anglais?
Small, c'est bon. Une personne?
Just one. Oui, merci. Merci. comprenez un peu français.
Yes, you are ready for the other?
What is pocket? This is my first time.
This one. It's very good.
What is this?
It's with sheep rim, chicken, and the both is with pork and cereal.
Okay. Is it spicy?
No, not spicy, but you can take one spicy sauce, it's 3 euros.
Okay. And then which one's one fish? So this one's chicken and this one's fish?
You prefer fish?
I just wanted to know the difference, that's all. I saw someone else eat fish and I was curious.
This one and this one is sheep rim, and this one is sardine. Sardine with pork, and this one is sheep rim with chicken.
Okay.
And this one is lobster juice with noodles and consomme.
So you said lobster juice?
Yes, just lobster juice, not the meat.
Not the meat. Okay. Okay, I'll do the first one you recommended.
Yes, with the chiffon sauce. Do you want some starter?
Sí.
Some starter? You want some starter?
What do you like?
The gyoza is very good. And it's little spicy rice, and when it's spicy, the gyoza is very good.
Thank you.
The gyoza?
Yeah.
What do you want to drink? It's derrière. How do you say in English derrière?
I'm sorry.
Yes. For the drink is
Alcohol?
how to say in English?
Not sure. I'm sorry.
Comme ça. Derrière, comme ça. Like
Oh, it's a flip?
yes,
Flip. Yeah.
the
Other
drink
side.
is other side.
Other
The
side.
drink
Okay. I'll wait for a drink. Can I do water for now?
just one? Yes, of course.
And that is Delu.
Oui, de l'eau.
Merci, ça va vite. Je vais pas être inquiet. Je comprenais un peu français. Est-ce que vous parlez anglais? I try it. Okay, I'm learning French. It's really bad stuff. Like my English. Better than my French, I promise. But what were you saying?
I said be careful, it's very hot.
Okay.
And it was very fast to give you the ramen because there's not a lot of people at this time.
Okay. Great. So you guys know, currently I live in New York. New York.
New York City.
Yep, New York City, New York City.
Bonjour madame. Où est du vin?
Oui, c'est de l'autre côté.
Côté. Merci. Merci. Vous allez bien?
Ça va, vous, merci. Alright, so I'm on 1% battery. I'm back at my hotel. It's looking like I'm gonna call it a wrap for the night. I'm probably gonna try to charge my camera up just in case I do anything else tonight. But I got a very early morning tomorrow, and I'm hoping the next time I'm in Paris, I'm gonna do a lot more speaking. That's gonna be my bigger goal. So a little bit of repetition, but I am happy with what I did today. With the few conversations that I did have with different people. Even the last one at the market, you know, vous allez bien. I asked him how was he doing, or is he doing well? He answered. I got to hear what he said. His response didn't prompt a reply, so I didn't mind that because I didn't know what I was gonna say after that. But when he couldn't find the barcode for the wine, that's when the conversation went to a level that I couldn't communicate. But yeah, all in all, good day. I call it a win. I'm probably gonna do a little bit of studying if I wake up tonight and I don't head out. Gotta save some type of money, right? But ultimately, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'm thinking about doing 2 edits of this. So I'm thinking about doing a long version where you get me guys walking, all those intricate things if you're into that, and then a shorter version where I kind of chop it down to what I think you might want to see. So please comment, tell me what you like. If you watch both versions, tell me which one you prefer, or how I can make this content better for you guys. But until next time, peace.